Hi guys, welcome to ISE 2023 CYP stand. Today we are going to show you our commercial solution. In the commercial area like a huddle space, we want to have both external meeting with the customers through Zoom or Teams meeting or internal meeting. So we set out a one-box solution to fulfill this requirement. Just for example, for external meeting, you can have a video conferencing system right here, and we can use one device to have a wireless communication to help you to share your content wirelessly. And on the other hand, if you want to use a single cable USB Type-C cable with your laptop with another display, this device can support a power delivery to ensure charge your laptop and also make your screen be project with your content. Right now I want to show you if I want to do the wireless sharing use my phone, I can simply connect my iPhone to do the screen mirroring. So you can easily see after I mirror it, it will just show to here. Right, straightforward, very simple to use. All this setup is only need one single device right here can fulfill your huddle space requirement.